up, guys? Mike here. Today we're out this field here near our home. We're at this baseball field. It's really big. Got a lot of things to dive. We got those light towers there, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some flying. We're gonna test out the Iflight Codora SL5 since we did the build video on it. So Sergio will be taking up the Cidora and show you guys some footage. We're gonna do the first test flight, the maiden flight. Yep, there we go. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure if you're not subscribed, please do so, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Off to the flight footage.
Armed.
Guess what happened, guys? My Insta 360 camera came right off the quad, but we lucky we found it. So it crashed in the bleachers. And but guys, the camera survived. They're in pretty good shape. No cracks, no screen cracks, nothing. This is awesome, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for future content, and we see you guys in the next video. Now it's my turn, bitches! He's gonna whip the hell out of it. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Like always, fly safe, fly smart, and happy flying. See you.